15,000 feet, all loaded up with bombs. Oh, they're filming something.
All right, we are back at Thermal again. Today we're gonna do a little something different. We're gonna go with Wade and Erica back here to, they're looking to find wedding rings. So they got married, they don't have any rings just yet, and we're gonna go to this little gym expose on the other side of Joshua Tree, kind of like Yucca 29 Palms area, and go talk to the rock specialist to find something that is meaningful for the two of them that they can turn into a ring, hopefully. Na, 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 na. Whenever you're flying a helicopter, there are some things that you need to make sure you do before you take off.
Number one thing, this is just like skydiving. Number one thing with flying is look cool.
Check, check. Giant rock, campground. That's what that was right here, coming around the south side of the park to the north now. You can see the Joshua trees scattered about. So here we are, another part of the park, and new rocks. We have new rocks everywhere. Rocks all over the place. This is what Joshua Tree is all about. Diversity of rocks. So guys, this is the Cow Camp Oasis. That thing? Yeah, it's wild. So, I don't know anything about it. I just know it's significant. Probably one of the most significant, if not the most, in the area. That is bizarre. It's supposed to look like a dinosaur. Like the bones of a dinosaur. Slow it down so we get more blade slaps. So everybody knows we're here. Slap, slap, slap. That's what we're going for. Yucca Valley Airport, where all of it goes down. Ladies and gentlemen, we've arrived in Yucca Valley.
All right, so we just pulled into Yucca Valley and getting picked up in the sweet Bronco. We find ourselves in the gas station with Wade.
No, this is my spot.
All right, we are loaded up on Gatorade and chips. About to hop in the Bronco, go to this gym show, and then maybe go check out some old school Broncos. So one of Wade's buddies actually rebuilds Broncos, or at least his grandfather does, and he has for a really long time. And he's built like over 100 Broncos.
So we're gonna go look at some Broncos, gym show it for a little bit, and then go back to the Bronco place and just get a whole tour of it. Great toothpicks.
Yeah, minty.
Yeah, minty toothpicks.
Wade, where are we?
Joshua Tree Rock and Gym Show. Who's not here?
About 700 years old. It's my cat. Oh wow, it's a bird and a finch. Longevity. Yeah, longevity. Well, you need this now.
Thought that was a pipe for a minute.
We haven't seen much jewelry. It's all pre-jewelry level. Hadn't been put together yet. Takes an artisan. But there's some nice stuff here, but I just, we didn't find it. But that's okay, because it's not a race to get it.
Unfortunately, Wade and Erica did not find what they wanted, but it was a nice scenic flight on the way over here. And I think we're actually gonna go check out this guy's airplane hangar that's full of old school Broncos. So I think we're gonna head that way shortly, and then after we're done with that, I think we're gonna head back over to Thermal and call it a day. Finally made it to John and Blake's hangar, and it's Bronco heaven here. This is crazy.
15. 10, 15.
I'll show you 15. Got it here.
But this goes for 15 grand? And then what's a body?
Probably another 8.
Up's a 44. The bottom one's a 60. Bottom is 60.
What's really crazy is look at that hook.
Oh yeah.
Reading that.
Blake, thank you.
Great time in Yucca Valley with Blake. So they have, I think, like 30 different titles there. They have customer cars there and stuff like that. It's incredible. They do their own proprietary bodywork, so fenders, hoods. It was cool rolling around in a Bronco. The rock show was interesting. Broncos are right up my alley. Now we're spooling up so we can head out.